All right, so in this video, we are going to show you how to access the do-it-yourself credit repair system, which walks you step by step through repairing your own credit. Guys, this includes all of the dispute letters. They're short video tutorials walking you step by step to ensure that you are successful and you have a clear understanding of how credit works. So I'm logged into the myEcon website. We are going to click Income Shifting Membership. Now, this is everything that's included in your membership, which we are going to break all of this down. But right now, you're just going to go right to where it says My Credit System.
Understand, this is the #1 DIY credit system in the nation, so do not take this information lightly.
Yes, absolutely. So guys, when you access the myCredit system, check this out. This is exactly what it looks like. Now, it is very, very important that you do not skip around. Even if you know you're just trying to dispute something on your credit report, this system is designed to give you a clear understanding of credit, okay? You have to understand that this is a part of generational wealth that people are not talking about, right? A lot of times when we say that we want to break generational curses or build generational wealth, we think that it's just about making millions of dollars and passing that down to our children. But guys, I assure you, every successful, every wealthy person understands credit.
You got to understand the power of going through this on a step-by-step basis and you actually being informed yourself. That way, you're not being manipulated, taken advantage of. You have an understanding for credit for yourself. So this makes it so seamless. You don't have to have a good financial background. You don't have to have, some type of fancy title or degree in order to benefit from this information. So follow it to the T, module by module, step by step, and you'll see results.
Yes, and look at some of the titles, guys, outside of the walkthrough through your system. Obtain your credit report and credit scores, how to read your credit report, how to dispute items on your credit report, how to lower your credit utilization, how to build credit history, checking your credit mixture, checking your disputes. All of that is included. And again, guys, you are going to learn, all 5 of the factors that make up your credit score. Not just one, not just removing things. You need to understand all 5 of the factors and how they individually contribute to you hitting your overall credit goals.
And the process that we take you through is second to none. So don't deviate from the process. The process is in place for a reason. This is the very reason why people have removed hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of collections, whether it's student loan, whether it's medical, whether it's charge-offs, repos. This system is responsible for thousands of people credit score being 700, 750, 800 plus. So really understand what you have, go through it step by step, and at any time throughout this process, don't hesitate to ask questions. We got a separate credit messenger group. Of course, you should already be inside the royalty movement group, but take advantage of this opportunity, follow the steps, but don't hesitate to ask questions because we're here to assist you. We have a royalty movement family. The culture is centered around you hitting your goals, but we don't know what you need help with if you don't ask. So don't hesitate to ask throughout this entire process.
Yes, and you guys, as you can see, the videos are very, very short and sweet and to the point. And a lot of them have your downloads attached right underneath the video. So it's very, very user friendly, and literally you can start repairing your credit today. If that is your goal, guys, if you have that goal to get a house, upgrade your lifestyle, upgrade your vehicle, do it. Put in the work, dedicate to the time to this every single day. Maybe you can start with watching 1 module per day or something like that. Set a goal for yourself, 30 minutes to maybe an hour per day to really learn and get a full understanding. On module number 4, where we talk about how to remove negative payment history, you'll see that all of the dispute letters are even included in the system. And the dispute letters are already typed up for you. All you have to do is swap out the information in red. Guys, this system is allowing people to remove collections, inquiries, medical bills, all types of things from their credit report. So it's all here. Guys, you have access to this system. Don't sleep on it. Don't quit on yourself. It's literally the simplest and easiest system that you are going to find. And you can literally enter the 800 credit club like so many other people in my econ.
So we look forward to seeing you create credit success. We look forward to you getting items deleted, you getting a thorough understanding of how credit works, all 5 factors, applying that into your financial situation so you can take your credit from where it is now to where you desire and deserve it to be.